So I'm going to start right at the top of the pad. Stop there. That way I haven't taken anything off. Do the same thing here. Stop there. Yeah. Yep. So let's see. Goes that way. Goes that way. Some people say, I mean, like, if I'm doing this out at Mark Adams, they basically have a rule you don't back up your bandsaw because you can pull the blade off the guides. But, you know, I make this so it's such a weak attachment that there's no grab on it when I'm backing up. Bandsaw. Yeah, this is a 1/4-inch blade. Actually, pretty nice wood. Somebody should have made a guitar out of that. Now, if I was really familiar with this pattern, I'd go in now and I'd bandsaw out and I'd shape a lot of this. But since I'm not, I'm going to leave it alone for now. So, I mean, you can leave this square and you can do your mortising after you shape your leg. Although, you know, you can't shape up to here, but a lot of this shaping up to here you don't do until you have this in the case and you put your knee blocks on anyway. So you can pretty much ignore it from here up. So if you want to just leave this square and use it, Yeah, sure.
Thank
I don't know where it went, but so that's my method. As I said, I cut it almost to the point where I cut through, and then I back off. That way, I can just keep turning it around. And you know, some people will cut them off and tape them on, but you know, why cut them off when you can leave them on there? It's also nice that this is nice straight grain because this is going to be very predictable to shape. You know, so that's pretty simple, right?